everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a pocket letter, another one that I received, and this one again is from Joanne, and she here on YouTube is Happy Mail Stamper. And I had received two and I was waiting for the third one, so I kind of like jumped the gun and did the video and only showed two at the beginning. So this is the third one. Honestly, I had forgotten I was going to get the third one, so I am going to go ahead and open this right now so I can show you guys what we got. And oh, how cute. Oh, okay. Oh, this is so cute. And this is, oh, echinacea, and this is a tea. I'm sorry, so sorry you guys, I am so out of focus. Anyways, so I also wanted to show you guys a quick tip on how to clean your mat. So anyway, sorry. So that's why I have my screen a little bit more focused on the bottom. So this one, let me see if there's a name. Okay. Oh, this is from Eileen Mack. Okay, so this is 2021 Mini Pocket Letter Swap, handmade by Eileen Mack and hosted by Happy Mail Stamper. There you go. And oh, that's cute. I love this paper pad. OMG, what paper pad is this? This is so cute. I love it. OMG. So sequins, there's some sequins in here. So cute. I love this. So she put sequins right here, a mixture, and oh, I love the colors. Love the colors. Oh my goodness. And then she put a little butterfly here from Dollar Tree, and then some trim right here. And I think she sewed this trim. It looks like it's been sewed on here. And then she also went ahead and did this one right here, and she put a little cute bow in here, and I think it is, yeah, it's wanted to come undone. So there you go. How cute. And then she right here on the side, she went ahead and did some sewing. How cute. So this is supposed to, I'm thinking this is supposed to be a flower with a zigzag and another flower right there. That is so cute. You guys, we need to learn how to use our little zigzag and little dimensions, because there are so many fun things to use. And then she put another sequence right here. Awesome. Can never have enough sequins, so do excuse the glare. And then she put some little cute pieces of stickers here from different Dollar Tree. Sorry you guys, I'm trying Dollar Tree stickers, like a scatter of them. How cute. So there you go. And then she put some butterflies in here, and then this little cute. That's cute because you know what, sometimes we don't know what to put in here, so putting a little bit of something that is the cutest thing to do. And then she had this butterfly, and this one's from the EK Tools Success Punch, I think it is, because I think I have this punch. I was just using it, that's what I'm saying. So cute. So I will link both ladies down in the description below, so you guys can go over and check them out. And you guys go over to Joanne. She has awesome swaps. She's hosting awesome swaps, so awesome. So anyways, let me go ahead and show you guys. My mat was so dirty the other day, and I did a video, or I recorded a video, and I was a little embarrassed because there was like red junk on here and ugliness, kind of like, sorry you guys, I don't know if you guys could see that. Let me see if I could focus there you go, focus my little, I don't know if you guys could see that. If you guys could see that junk right there, let me see if I could focus it a little bit more. There you go. So you see this right here, this is ugly junk right here, this right here, oh my goodness. So anyways, what I did is I went ahead and got, this is a little dirty already, but I went and got some alcohol, smeared it on there, and then started rubbing on it. So that's what I did. So you could take some of that color, because you know how we distress, we did ink, do our inking and everything. So this is what I went ahead and did, and whatever did not come off, I went ahead, see if you could see that right there. Let me see if you guys, I can give you a better, there you go. So right here, you can see it a lot better. So I went ahead and cleaned it. It's just alcohol, so it's gonna air dry. So I can feel it, and you can still feel some glue residue from your hot glue or your glue. And I don't know if you could see that right here. Can you guys see this right here? I want to point right there. Can you guys see that? Like, oh, that's glue. So what I had and did, I let it dry a little bit, and then I went ahead and went over with my eraser. And this is a, I think it's a glue eraser, or glue eraser, yeah. And then I went ahead and rubbed on and erased, just like an eraser. And see all that junk that was still there that you guys couldn't see? There you go. And you can still feel some here. So let me go ahead and see if I could take that out. Sorry if my camera is moving. So go ahead and continue. And this is, you're going to have to like do it at your own time, leisure time. It is not going to all come out at the same time. Just take your time. And there you go. Let me see. Okay, so you could feel it a little bit there, but it feels much nicer. And then, and some of this you might not be able to take off because it probably already set in really, really nicely into the mat. And some of it you're going to be able to. So now, I don't really feel anything unless I think if I were to pour more alcohol in here, I will probably feel it. If you do pour alcohol in here, don't go and try to erase it because you're just going to cause a big mess. Just going to soak your eraser up actually. There you go. Feels better. And let me see. So I went ahead and grabbed another paper towel, clean paper towel. Went ahead and used some alcohol and just rubbing it in there. And there you go. So it is nice and clean. Yeah, I don't feel any more residue anymore. So I haven't cleaned my desk in a while. And I was doing this right now, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna show you guys how I clean my mat. I don't know if other crafters do this. I might have seen it somebody else doing it. I don't know. I know I've seen somebody else do the eraser part, but I don't remember seeing somebody do the alcohol. So, and I'm just touching it just to make sure if there's like any spots that I feel uncomfortable with. And that's basically it. So that's it. You know, you guys, you're not gonna have that. There you go. There you go. So it's, to me, it's much cleaner. I can go over with my eraser and I don't pick anything up. Earlier you guys saw that some the residue, the glue, actually it was actual from the glue from the mat, because nothing else came out. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys try this for your mat if you guys haven't tried it yet, and let me know if you guys have a different type of way of cleaning your mat. And thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.